dear students. The Institute of Banking and Professional Selection releases the IBPS PO application form every year. The application form is released in the online mode and the students who are interested can visit the official website to fill the form. However, there are some important instructions which the candidates must go through before filling the application form for IBPS PO exam. Going through the instructions for filling the form will help the students avoid any mistakes and fill the form smoothly. In today's video, we'll overview how to fill IBPS PO application form while covering all the important aspects such as process to apply, application fee, documents to upload and more. So without further ado, let us start. First, let us look at some important points regarding IBPS PO application forms. The IBPS PO application form is released by Institute of Banking and Postal Selection, that is IBPS. It is released in the online mode only, there is no offline application form for the same. The candidates must check the eligibility first before applying for the form, because if they do not fulfill all the eligibility requirements, their application will be rejected. The application fee for the form is mandatory and is non-refundable. That is why it is also important to check your eligibility before you apply for the exam. The fees can be paid online using modes such as debit cards, credit cards, internet banking, cash cards, mobile wallets such as UPIs, etc. The candidates must keep a printout of application form and e-receipt generated after paying the application fee. The information that you enter in your application form will be used for all the further processes. That is why it is very important that you enter all the correct information in the form. Now let us look at what is the application fee for IBPS PO application form. The application fee for IBPS PO application form depends on the basis of category of the candidates. For example, for general and other category candidates, the application fee is 850 rupees, while for SC, ST and PWD, the application fee is 750 rupees. Now let us look at what are the documents that you will be requiring for IBPS application form and what specifications must be for each the document. First is photograph, which should be a recent passport size colored photograph. The dimension of the photo should be 200 into 230 pixels and the size of the file should be 20 KB to 50 KB. Then signature, which you have to sign on white paper with a black or blue ink pen. The dimension of signature should be 140 into 60 pixels and size should be 10 to 20 KB. Next is left thumb impression, which should be in JPG or JPEG format. The dimension should be 240 into 240 pixels in 200 dpi. You have to give left hand thumb impression of yours on a white paper and the size should be 20 to 50 KB. Final document is handwritten declaration, which should be written on a white paper with black ink. It should also be in JPG or JPG format. The dimension should be 800 into 400 pixels and 200 dpi and the size should be 50 KB to 100 KB. Now that we are done with fees and documents, let us look at what are the different steps to fill IBPS PO application forms. The steps which are included are to register, upload photo and signature, fill the form and review, upload your impression and declaration, and finally pay the fee. First, you'll have to visit the official website to register and click on the link that says new registration on the home page. To register, you'll have to enter your name, phone number, email ID and security code. After successful registration, a provisional registration number and password will be generated and you will be sent the password and registration number on your email ID and password. You can use the registration number and password to log in again to the portal to fill your application form. The next step is to upload your photograph and signature. You will have to upload the documents as specified as per the required dimensions. The signatures should be in not capital letters but regular letters. All the documents should be properly scanned and not smudged, and the handwritten declaration should be in English only. After you are done uploading the documents, the next step is to fill your application form. Now you'll have to enter all your details in the form, such as your basic details, educational qualification, work experience, languages and preferences. After you are done with your application form, the next step is to preview your application form, which is a very important step. You must preview your application form before final submission, because you will have to make sure that the information you have entered in your application form is correct and is not anything wrong. Your application form will be validated and all the documents will also be validated in the later stage. Hence, it is very important that you preview your application form before final submission. The next step is to upload the left-hand thumb impression and handwritten declaration. We have already discussed what should be the requirement and specifications for the documents. You have to upload all the documents as per those dimensions and specifications only. After you are done with uploading of these documents, the next step is to pay the application fee. You will be redirected to a payment gateway. Once you are done with your form, you will have to enter the detail of your payment mode, and then after entering all the details, you'll have to enter your OTP for paying the fee for the application form. After you are done paying for the application form, an e-receipt will be generated. You'll have to take a printout of the e-receipt and online application form for future references. That's all. Thank you. I hope that this video helped you understand how do you need to fill the IBPS PO application forms. If you still have any further questions, you can visit me on the link that is visible on the screen and post your questions. Also, if you're looking for direct admission, you can also fill the common application form on the link that is available on the screen. For more updates on IBPS PO application form and other processes, stay tuned to College Deco.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.